Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get transcript from YouTube video. So first of all, you need to find the video which you wish to go and see the transcript of. In this case, I will do this video here. So let me click on it. And then what you need to do is scroll down, and if you have done this before, you may be thinking you used to go and click on these three dots over the right, and there was then a show transcript button, but that's now changed. So what you now need to do is go and expand the description and then scroll down, and at the bottom here we then have the option for follow along using the transcript, and you can then click on show transcript and it will open up, and you can then scroll through it, and in the top right you can click on the three dots and you can choose if you want to have the timestamps as well. It's important to note as well that some YouTube videos may not have transcripts available. So if you don't found the transcript of some videos, don't worry. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.